Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Hacoo app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Hacoo app. Then we click on first step and we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.